I'm going to do some grounding first. I'm actually going to use my forks today. These are my beautiful soul family, have shown me the way as I've spiritually opened myself to who I am and what I am being awakened and guided to be. So first, we'll feel a little tingle on the crown as we're going to draw this energy down to the root chakra. I know that sounds like my voice is breaking, but what it is my energy creating the unblocking. That's correct. It's like little shards of glass being removed from that chakra. Mambo kumbo le tatishin yakumi and yakum Hamayana yakumbo no yakaitu amanaye shayanaye I'm seeing like a blue metallic eyeshadow palette. This is someone that likes to put on their costume before they perform. It's quite sexy. Kumbo anayaki shamboy mana kumbo ati amaya kunai shiyama amaya kumaya Miyananayaki amayatumi. I can see my inner child reaching out to their microphone. See, they're feeling comforted. Gombo akumi nonoi kumaya tumbore tumoi. Shiyamuku mananaya kumei. Hamanayai Manayakuyakumo Mayai Shuamanaku Mayakumo no Tui Shiananae Shukumam doyakumanaetehi Hamanekinaeti Hamayeki Ha-om. I love me too. Thank you, Soul Family.